What if I told you that the richest people in Canada are not avoiding debt? They are running towards it. While you were taught that debt is bad, rich people are using debt as a weapon to build more wealth every single year. And the bank is actually helping them do it. Today, I am going to show you exactly how rich people use debt to get richer, and how you can start doing the same thing right here in Canada. First, you need to understand one thing. There are two types of debt: bad debt and good debt. Bad debt makes you poorer. Good debt makes you richer. Poor people use debt to buy things that lose value. Credit cards, cars, clothes, vacations. Every dollar borrowed costs them more money over time. Rich people use debt to buy things that gain value. Real estate, businesses, investments. Every dollar borrowed makes them more money over time. Same bank, same interest rates, completely different results. Strategy 1. The HELOC. The first strategy rich Canadians use is called a HELOC, Home Equity Line of Credit. Here is how it works. You own a home worth $600,000. You owe $300,000 on your mortgage. That means you have $300,000 in equity. The bank will lend you up to 80% of that equity. That is $240,000 at a low interest rate, sometimes as low as 6%. Now here is what the rich do with that money. They invest it. If they put $240,000 into dividend stocks or rental property returning 10% per year, they make $24,000 per year. They pay $14,400 in interest to the bank, and they pocket the difference. The bank literally funded their investment. Strategy 2. Leverage in real estate. The second strategy is real estate leverage. This is the most powerful wealth-building tool in Canadian history. Here is the math. You buy a $500,000 rental property with $100,000 down. The tenant pays your mortgage every month. In 10 years, that property is worth $800,000. You made $300,000 in profit, but you only put in $100,000. That is a 300% return on your money. Meanwhile, your tenant built your wealth for you. Rich Canadians are doing this over and over again across Ontario, BC, and Alberta. Strategy 3. Borrowing to invest. The third strategy is borrowing to invest, also called leveraged investing. In Canada, you can actually deduct the interest on money borrowed to invest. That means the government helps you pay for it. Here is how rich Canadians do it. They take a $50,000 investment loan at 7% interest. They invest it in an index fund, returning 10% per year. They make $5,000 per year. They pay $3,500 in interest, which is tax deductible. Their real cost is even lower, and they keep the profit. This is called the Smith maneuver, and wealthy Canadians have been using it quietly for decades. Why poor people never learn this? So why doesn't everyone do this? Because schools teach you to fear debt, and banks want you to fear good debt, because bad debt is where they make all their money. Credit card interest in Canada averages 20%. They need you scared of borrowing, so you keep paying them 20% on things that lose value, while the rich borrow at 6% on things that gain value. The system was designed this way on purpose. How you can start. So how do you start? Step 1. Pay off all bad debt first. Credit cards, car loans, consumer debt. Step 2. Build equity in your home or save a down payment. Step 3. Open a TFSA and start investing. Even $100 a month grows tax-free in Canada. Step 4. Learn about HELOCs and talk to a mortgage broker once your equity grows. Step 5. Never borrow for things that lose value again. The rich did not get rich by avoiding debt. They got rich by mastering it. If you want to see exactly how much of your salary you are actually keeping after taxes in Canada, I built a free calculator just for Canadians. Link is in the description at kaltube.click. And if this video opened your eyes, subscribe, because next week we are going even deeper into how wealthy Canadians build wealth silently while everyone else stays stuck.